Morning class, I'm Will Kemp from Will Kemp Art School and I'd like to welcome you to this simple colour mixing course. Thanks so much for investing in your colour mixing future. Have you ever stood in front of your painting and you've actually no idea how to mix the colour you're trying to create? Or become really frustrated with your mixes and ended up with lots of piles of mud on your palette rather than the clean bright colour mixes you're after? Or have been struggling to understand colour mixing for years, sometimes getting it spot on, but other times when it goes wrong you've got no idea why or how to fix it? Then you need to understand the theory behind colour mixing. I've designed this course to take an absolute beginner step by step through the theory and practical techniques you need to achieve perfect colour mixes and harmony in your paintings again and again. Once you understand this, you can paint anything you want, from really bright landscapes to a muted still life. You'll be able to make smart palette choices using fewer pigments without having to buy hundreds of different colours. In the first couple of lessons, we learn about the language of colour, and this will really help because you can start to label things like an artist, and when I mention something later in the course, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. We then go on to learn about the hidden secrets in paint pigments and how they can put your colour mixes out so easily. Once you understand this, everything else will fall into place. Then we put all of this theory into practice with a mini-series of 4 practical step-by-step lovely little acrylic still life paintings. Each one looking at a different colour relationship, helping all this new knowledge to become an unconscious part of the painting process. By the end of this course, you'd have gained the confidence to mix any acrylic colour that you see every time, knowing exactly the simple steps to achieve it. By working through these progressive tutorials, you'll be guided by your new colour mixing intuitions, opening up the fantastic world of colour. So grab a brew, a couple of biscuits, and let's get colour mixing.